The quorum for the Senate shall be 1/3 of all its members in a sitting. This means that at least 36 senators, out of 109, must be present in the chamber for the Senate to transact any official business or make decisions. A quorum is important as it ensures that the Senate is not only functioning with a minimum level of representation. Subject to the provision of Nigeria, House of Representative shall consist of 360 members, representing constituencies, and shall be referred to as the lower legislative arm of the National Assembly. The House of Representatives is made up of 360 members, each representing a specific constituency within Nigeria. Unlike the Senate, where each state is equally represented, the House of Representatives is designed to reflect the population size of each state. This means that states with larger populations have more representatives, and states with smaller populations have fewer.